about the general form of the equation of circle. We have here the general form. The equation of circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0 where our d, e, and f are all real numbers. Itong d and f dapat real numbers po. Yung nasa kabila, right side, ito naman po yung kanyang standard form. Kaya ko nilagay yan kasi gagamitin po natin yan para makapag-rewrite tayo ng equation sa general form. So, ito po kasi is in the form of h and k center. So, let's find out. Now, suppose we're going to write the general equation of a circle with the center at negative 2 and 1 and the radius of 5 units. Paano po yun? First is to identify your h and k, where our h is our center of a circle and also your k. Ibig sabihin nun, yung atin pong h is equals to negative 2, atin pong k is also equals to positive 1. So, ito po yung center natin. Of course, our radius is 5, so 5 units. Now, since we have identified the center of the circle, next is to apply the formula. So that's equals to x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So, ang atin pong h is equals to negative 2. Nga pala, para hindi tayo magtagal, we just simply, kung ano man yung sign dito, kuhanin yung opposite, magiging plus. Since positive, magiging minus po. Ganun lamang po. Ito yung atin pong h, ito po yung atin pong k. Dito po yung galing. Now, of course, your radius is 5. Kopyan lang natin. Of course, that's squared. Next is to simplify this. Just simply, ang ibig po sabihin nun, we are going to multiply x plus 2 squared by itself. X times x, that's equals to x squared. 2 times x, that's equals to 2x, times 2, that's equals to 4x. Then multiply 2 by itself, that's equals to 4. Then, pagkatapos nun, ganun din ang gagawin sa kabila. So, ibig sabihin nun, we just simply multiply y minus 1 squared. So, that's equals to y times y, that's equals to y squared. Then 2 times y, that's equals to 2y times negative 1, that's equals to negative 2y. And 1 times 1, that's equals to positive 1. So, yung kanyang operation, binabalang natin. Then, of course, we need to find the square of 5, that's equals to 25. Just multiply 5 by itself. After that, next is to remove the symbols. You are going to remove the parentheses of this given expression. So, remove lang natin yung symbols natin. And we just copy the given problems. Next, course is to combine like terms if there is any. Kung meron pong makakombine, combine na natin. In this case, we have here 4 at saka 1. We just add that number. That's equals to 5. Pero, dapat, pag nag-write tayo, naka-general form na po. So, we have x squared. Ito po yun. Y squared. Ito naman po yun. Then, yung may 4x, yung may x, ito, this is d, yung 4. Then, yung may y, that's equals, ang atin pong is 2. Then, our f is our constant. Next is, of course, to transpose our constant doon sa left side kasi dapat 0 daw yung nasa right side. Therefore, sa 25, dapat lipat natin sa kabila. Since that is positive, dilipat magiging negative. So, 0 na po dito tayo. Then, meron pa tayong natitira na dalawang constant pagsamahin natin. And that's 5 and 25. Yung sign ng 25 is negative, yung sign ng 5 is positive. Magkaiba yung sign, just subtract, then copy the sign of the bigger number. In short, ang ating magiging operation is we subtract 25 minus 5 at ang kalalabasan po nun is negative 20. Ibig sabihin nun, pag pinagsama natin to, ang sagot nun is 20. Since naka-standard, naka-general form na po tayo, this is our final answer. Have a nice day.